friends, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to convert Landsat DN value to top of atmospheric reflectance by ENVI software. So at first open ENVI Classic software. So ENVI can easily convert Landsat data from the USGS in the USGS geotype with metadata format in single step. So at first go to file, then open external file, then Landsat, then click on geotype with metadata. So this is the metadata MTL file format, text file format, then open, then RGB color, load of this. So these are Landsat thematic mapper map. So near infrared band 4, red 3 and 2, then load this RGB. So these are the Landsat thematic mapper satellite image. Then right click and cursor location value. So these are pixel value or DN value only, not a convert spectral radiance. So actually the Landsat thematic mapper and TM and enhanced thematic mapper plus sensor or capture of the reflected solar energy. So convert this DN value to radians, then scale this data into 8-bit digital number or DN value with range between 0 to 255. So our next step, go to spectral and processing and calibration utility, then Landsat calibration. So another way of these basic tools, processing, calibration utilities, Landsat calibration. So input of this image and special subset, there are not special subset, full image are calibration. So input whole spectral subset image, then OK. So this is the ENVI Landsat calibration windows. So automatically extract metadata file of this Landsat thematic mapper sensor data. So Landsat sensor type Landsat 5TM and data acquisition month February and data of acquisition 26th February and etc. etc. So calibration type, so reflectance. So next there are output name, the shape of this DN value to top of atmospheric reflectance. Then OK. So run of this Landsat TM calibration, convert the DN value to reflectance of LANDSAT thematic mapper data. So complete of this, convert DN value to reflectance. So load of this reflectance new display. So as a reminder, the reflectance value range from 0 to 1 are store floating point data format. So check this. So there are convert DN value to reflectance value range 0 to 1 and store floating point data format. So convert of this reflectance value. So these are the pixel value. So these are the pixel value or DN value only, but there are convert of this DN value to reflectance value. So check this quick statistics. So there are statistics, minimum, maximum, or mean, or standard deviation. So these are the spectral DN value 0 to 255, and there are conversion of DN value to reflectance value. This range 0 to 1 and store the floating point data format. So right click and ROE tool, then create a signature. So there are spectral signature of the vegetation. So highly reflectance of near infrared band. So near infrared band is a 0.306165 reflectance. So there are reflectance high of near infrared band. So complete this work. How to convert LANDSAT DN value or digital number value to top of atmospheric reflectance by ENVI software. So if my video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.